What if your AI could not only talk, but feel? Let's install Dia, a powerful text-to-speech that speaks with tone, emotion, and realism.
Dia is an open-weights text-to-dialogue model.
You get full control over scripts and voices.
Wow, amazing.
Try it now on GitHub or Hugging Face.
Make sure your system has Python 3.10 and at least 4 GB of VRAM. First, we will clone the repository from GitHub. Then create virtual environment from Python 3.10 and activate it. Then we install Dia by command line.
Now we will delete the old Torch package version.
I will check my current CUDA. Then I will install Torch package according to CUDA version. Now I will run the app.
Now I will create a bat file to launch next time. Without opening CMD, you just need to create a text file, then paste the content I left in the description, then save it, and change the file extension to .bat.
We will edit the app file. Add the line in browser equals true, so that when launched, it will automatically open the browser. Now I will use Dia. I will run the built-in sample prompt.
Dia is an open-weights text-to-dialogue model.
You get full control over scripts and voices.
Wow, amazing.
Try it now on GitHub or Hugging Face.
Very realistic voice. Now I will try to enter prompt.
Welcome to MuseFlow AI.
Hello, MuseFlow.
I will introduce you about TTS.
Wow, I like this video. I like this video.
Other functions of Dia, I will see you in the next video.
That's it. You've installed Dia and generated your first realistic AI dialogue. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.